Excel 2007 provides you a very powerful tool of subtotal. Subtotal allows you to effectively manage the large amount of data in Excel. We will understand the use of subtotal with the example given on your screen. Here in this example, we want to identify the total amount in ICICI Bank, the total amount in Axis Bank, and total amount in SBI Bank. If you want, then you can sort the column first and then do the manual calculation and get the total amount in each bank. But we have subtotal tool as well, which will perform the calculation faster. There are few important things that you need to remember about subtotal. First, the data should contain the titles. Second, there should be no blank cell in the table. And third, the data should be sorted based on the main heading. The main heading here in this case is bank. So let me first sort this. On the data tab, click on A to Z sorting. Now the data has been sorted here. Now on the data tab, under outline group, we have subtotal. Click on this and this box will appear. Just verify few important things, that the first option should be at each change in bank only. It should not be city or account. It should be bank only. Second, use the function. If you want to use, let's say, average function, max or min, then you can select the option. But what we want sum only. Now the third option is add subtotal to. We cannot add subtotal to bank, city and account. We can add subtotal to amount only. Now click OK. You can see the total in Axis Bank, total amount in ICICI Bank and total amount in SBI. You can also see the grand total. But now let us suppose we want to see how much total amount we have in Delhi, in Gurgaon and in Noida. But we cannot add subtotal to city because this is not in a proper order. For that we need to sort this as well. First, click on subtotal and remove all. When you want to apply subtotal based on two different levels, then both of these should be sorted. First, sort city, which is the subheading, and now sort the bank as well. Just remember one thing, when there are two headings, one is main heading, another is subheading. So when you do the sorting, subheading should be sorted and then main heading. But when you want to apply subtotal, then subtotal should be applied on main heading first and after that on the subheading. So now click on subtotal. Just check that this should be bank and this should be sum and amount should be selected. Click OK. Subtotal has been assigned to bank. Now click on subtotal again. This time change this bank to city. Just check this replace current subtotal is unchecked. Otherwise it will replace the existing subtotals. So click on this and now click OK. Now just check it that here we have total balance in Delhi. Here we have total balance in Gurgaon, total balance in Noida and Axis total. Total has been applied to ICICI Bank for Delhi, for Gurgaon and also for Noida. So just click on first layer of outlining and you will see the lesser amount of data. Now if you click on this too, that this is the second layer of outlining, you will be able to see the subtotal based on bank. Now click on third layer of outlining, you will see more data accordingly, and if you want the whole of the data to be displayed, then click on. So this way subtotal allows you to effectively manage the large amount of data in Excel.